guys, this is Anisha welcoming you to Grassroots Food Lab. If you have watched my video how to make ravioli from scratch and you're wondering how to use the leftover dough, this video is going to be very helpful. Well, you can make any kind of pasta from the leftover dough, but I prefer making the most easy and the least time consuming one, that is fettuccine or tagliatelle. From southern Italy till Rome, it's known as fettuccine, and in the north of Italy it's called tagliatelle. Both are the same flat roll kind of pasta. So here goes for you the super easy making process. Forgot to mention something. I tried something to store my pasta for longer and would like to share with you guys. Finish working the dough by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's all. And you can store it in refrigerator in an airtight jar for 7 to 10 days. It worked for me. Thanks for watching, and for more videos subscribe my channel.